Hey guys, so I'm making this YouTube video for the very first time. I was heading outside to a bar with my friends to grab a couple of drinks, and a lot of people have asked me plenty of times like, how do you get your hairstyle? How do you do it? So I saw this as an opportunity. I don't have much of time, so whatever time do I have, I'll just tell you quickly like whatever steps you need to follow whenever you're getting ready. So usually, you need few of the things, that is your hair dryer, your hair rags, the hairbrush, or if you apply oil, that I do sometimes while going out, just to make sure I have a good texture and a good volume of hair. So first of all, as you can see, I've just came out from the shower, put on some clothes, and this is the best time to set your hairstyle once your hair is dry. You cannot make your proper shape that you want to grab the hairstyle for. So once your hair are wet, you have the full authority over your hair, like how you want to move it, to which direction. You have the complete control on your hair. So I got the hair dryer just nearby me. You can use any of the one. I got the professional one, and it's quite different, just a little bit, because it doesn't have the nozzle. I usually don't use it. I like misplaced it few months ago, but I didn't get a chance to even buy a new one, so I usually use it without the nozzle. So once you have the hair dry and you just need your hair comb, which you usually use, or maybe a hairbrush, I usually use the round one. It gives you more volume and helps you in decreasing the time for the hair dryer. So we'll just go ahead and start with the sides first and make sure we have a good partition. Now there is one technique. If you want to increase the volume of the hair, if you usually do your side partition to the left side, that I do, you just do the opposite one time. Just make sure you do it at the right side as well, just to increase the volume. It helps you increasing the volume of the hair. Now at this moment it's taking a lot of time for my hair to dry because I haven't got a haircut from quite a long time. So yeah, we'll go out next week to get a haircut soon for sure. So once you're done with you're done with the drying up your hair, you just need to apply the good wax that you use. Maybe, I don't know, L'Oreal or Hands or Gatsby, whatever you use. So just make sure you have your wax with me. I use this usually the L'Oreal Home Force. It's the 4 force, and it gives you a medium hole and a medium shine. So I usually prefer this because I have been using this from a very long time. So I usually use it. So just make sure you take few of this in your hand and make sure to like rub it properly in your hands. And I usually prefer it doing from the sides, Now whenever you're doing a side, just make sure you rub hard through that. Now, the benefits of doing the sides first is that it gives you the shape of the hair. It gives you the shape that you want for that day itself. And just take a little bit more and now do the center of the hair. I'm consuming a little bit more because my hair is big at this moment, and you'll need a little bit more. So okay, so once you do that, you'll see that they're completely at the back. and just wipe your hand with a towel. Because if you start with the sides, it gives you the proper texture of your hair, and you know how to set the middle one as well. So as you can see, the hair are at the back. As I said, I haven't got much time to give you more of the information. I can just like quickly tell you what I did, what I usually do, and something that changed a little bit when my hair are. Alright guys, so I'm heading out right now. As you can see, I'm done for the for my hairstyling. That's the all that you need. I'll be uploading more videos for sure, maybe after a week. If I need to get a positive response, please like, share, comment on this video, and if you like it, share it with your friends.